Welcome, dear ones, to the guided meditation listening channel, sending you positive, peaceful, and happy energy. Today, I will guide you through a deep meditation to connect with your past lives, find past pains, and soothe them. Please share and subscribe if you find this video helpful. I am deeply grateful to all of you. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit or lie down without being disturbed. Ensure you are in a relaxed position. Close your eyes and adjust your posture to be as comfortable as possible. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling the cool air filling your lungs. Exhale gently through your mouth, letting all tension gradually dissipate. Continue to breathe deeply and slowly. Focus on each breath, allowing your body to relax completely. Bring your mind to the present moment, focusing on the sensations in your body from the top of your head down to your toes. Feel the warmth and relaxation. Spreading throughout your body. Let go of all worries and stress. Now, imagine you are sitting in a peaceful, natural setting. With a gentle waterfall behind you, surrounded by lush green mountains and forests. From your heart, envision a gentle light radiating out, spreading throughout your body and enveloping the surrounding space. Imagine this light connecting you to the past. Taking you back to your previous lives. Allow the light to guide you to ancient memories. You might see images, hear sounds, or just have fleeting feelings. Do not try to control or judge anything. Simply observe and accept whatever arises. As you explore past lives, pay attention to any pain or negative emotions that may emerge. Ask yourself how these pains might relate to your current life. What in the past could be causing the difficulties you face now? Direct the light from your heart to these past wounds. Feel this light as a healing energy, filled with love and compassion. Tell yourself that you are ready to release these pains. Letting them dissolve in the loving light. Feel gratitude for the experiences and lessons from the past. They have helped you grow and become stronger. When you feel ready, slowly leave the ancient memories and return to the present moment. Take a deep breath in, feeling the new and positive energy filling your body. Exhale and open your eyes, returning to the present, feeling light, peaceful, and healed. I hope today's guided meditation has helped you connect with your past lives in some way. Some of you might experience a deep sleep, or even have lucid dreams. Isn't that wonderful? Please comment and share your feelings about today's meditation session. Thank you, and see you next time.